EM, TT, AADC, Sir Kamal Kalai, Honorable MDC, TT, AADC, Sri Sadakar Kalai Sir, Honorable MDC, TT, AADC, Sri Devojit Tripura Sir, and guests from Jammu and Kashmir, and also my friend delegate coming from Assam, from Tiwa community. I would like to take my privilege to participate in this 5th Indigenous Traditional Attire Food Festival 2025 at Gomti, Tripura. After coming to Tripura, I feel like very homely, since after staying 2 days in this Tripura state, I feel as my own family. After coming here, many similarities between the Tiprasa language and the Tiwa language of the Tiwa community of Assam. So I feel very much proud and privileged. So in coming future, I take my opportunity to learn the Tiprasa language and also to communicate our Tiwasa language to the Tiprasa people. If we read our historical background, before the British rule, we the Tiwa people also have some our historical record that once upon a time we also live in Jantiapur near Sailit, which is now in Bangladesh. During that period, we have many common custom, tradition, and food among the Tiprasa and Tiwasa people. So, in order to regain this lost relation, in coming days, I would like to share my opinion with my friends, Honorable MDC, my friend Devojit Devbarma, and also my good friend MDC Sadakar Kalai. I also would like to invite our Honorable MLA Sir, Prathanlal Jamatia, to participate in our Tiwa Community Festival in coming October 2025 in our area. I hope you also will come and participate in our festival. So with these few words, I would like to thank each and every one of you for giving me this opportunity to express my few views and opinions among the Tiprasa tribe and Tiwasa tribe. So thank you.